I've been a pro stylist for close to 10 years and I've seen it all. I want to give you some pro tips so that you can have success on your DIY hair journey. My first pro tip is to consider the timing. You need to retouch your hair every 4 to 6 weeks. If you retouch your hair before 4 weeks, you might actually end up overlapping the previously lightened hair, which can cause further hair damage. But if you wait after 6 weeks, you can end up with banding. You'll know it when you see it because it looks like an orange stripe surrounding the regrowth area. So my second pro tip is making sure before you even begin lightening your hair, you have the proper maintenance products at home. That will set you up for success. Make sure you invest in a sulfate-free shampoo. That way it's going to be more gentle on the hair. You utilize conditioning masks to add hydration back into your hair. And also maybe you want to purchase a color deposit. It's a colored conditioner or shampoo that'll add color back into your hair that's going to maintain your color in between hair colorings so that you can refresh your hair at home. You also want to make sure you use heat protectants, and if you notice a split end, it might be time for a trim. I also want you to be aware of conditions that can affect your hair at home. This could include hard water. What is hard water? Hard water is a high concentration of minerals within the water that you're washing your hair with. Those minerals can react with our lightener, causing unintended results. So how do you know if your water is hard or not? Well, a couple of conditions you might notice within your hair. When your hair's wet, it might feel a little more sticky. Every time you color it, it might turn out the right color, but then almost instantly it always goes back to orange. Also, when it's dry, it feels a bit brittle, and your texture's just changed and it feels a bit puffy. Those are some signs you might have hard water. Therefore, it's important to prep your hair the right way before adding lightener to your hair. The way you can prep your hair for a lightening application is to use the Ion Crystal Clarifying Treatment. This is a treatment that's going to clarify your hair of the minerals. That way you know they're not going to react with the lightener. And to maximize your potential color results, be sure to install a water softening system and use a shower filter. If you've lightened your hair in the past and it didn't quite turn out the way you were expecting, it could be because of your hair history. So if you have previous color built up in your hair, it might take your hair more than one lift to get the color out. Also, you might not be able to push your hair to the point of lifting it to blonde. Sometimes it's best to wait it out and cut the hair as it grows. So be cautious of what your hair condition is and how much it can take. I hope these tips were helpful. You've got this. And just so you know, even though I'm a pro stylist, I'm still learning. So this journey will be a learning process. So just be creative and have fun. Thank you for watching DIY University by Sally Beauty. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out some more videos.